Hello everyone, welcome to Quirky Stuff. So today in this video I will show you how to make a polar region model from scratch. So let's start by making igloo. For making igloo I have here used a half coconut shell and just covered it with cotton. And now we'll just make the front door portion of the igloo. For making it we'll use a chart paper around 6 cm width and 17 cm of length. Now we'll just give it a fold and then cut a little bit of extra portion, and then around 1.5 centimeter of length we'll just fold it and we'll put some glue on it and then paste it the other end of the chart paper. So that it becomes an entrance kind of the igloo. So later on we'll just paste it with we'll just put cottons on it. Now we'll just leave it aside. Now the next step will you make penguins. For making penguins we'll use empty eggshells. Make sure the hole is small so that it is not visible later on. Now we'll use cap. It is a kind of cap, medicine cap like eye drops. For if you don't find it, then you can make it of your own small kind shape like, and we'll just make it the head of a penguin. I will here use a small cap because the egg is small. We'll just paste the cap, the head of the penguin, and then we'll just let it dry and then place it in the center portion. And now we will just keep it dry and we'll make the wings. For making the wings we'll use a chart paper, and first of all we'll draw one of the wing of the penguin and then cut a small portion of the chart paper and then give it a fold, and then we'll cut the size, the shape of the wing. We folded it because we'll get the same shape of the wing, two wings of the similar size, and then we'll just put it on the penguin. Before doing that, what we'll do is just make a line kind of border, because this is the front portion will be the chest. Okay, so now then we'll just paste the wings of the penguin. Make sure the wings are not longer than the penguin. If it is longer, then you can just make it small. We'll also put the other side the same way. This will be a little bit of irritating because this will not fix at a time. We have to do a little bit of struggle. Let it dry. I have made more 3 penguins in the same way. Now what we'll do is just make the legs, foot of the penguins. For making the same we will use chart paper and then draw it, and then we'll just cut it while folding the chart paper so that we get 2 at a time, similar shapes. It is ready. In the same way I have made some other legs for the penguins. We'll just fix it afterwards, not now. Before doing that, I will just color the penguin with black color and leave the front portion, which will color later on with white paint. So let's color it black first. The cap must be colored, and also the beak portion and wings and all, everything must be black, leaving the front portion, the chest portion, which we will color later on with white paint. Here I have painted all with black. Now we'll just paint the white with white paint, the chest portion. So let's start. We have to be careful because it may split on the black portion, so we have to be extra careful. Paint it nicely. Then we use the front portion of the brush for making the eyes. We will draw the eyes just beside the beak of the penguin, making small drops. You can use any kind of pointed thing. So here it is ready. Now we will just make a platform where we can just paste the igloo and the penguins. For making the platform, here I have used a big thermocol. Here we will just paste everything like igloos and the penguins. So you can use any kind of shape as per your convenience. Now we'll make a river and put the igloo on the side. What we'll do is just put Fevicol and just paste it there and hide the remaining portion if there is a hole or something like with the cotton, pasting with the Fevicol. And here we have pasted the front portion, and now we'll just put a little bit of cotton in the side portion because there is a hole on the edge. It is not the coconut shell is not even. Now what we'll do is just paste it all, cover it all with cotton and Fevicol. Make sure the side of the igloo is sealed with cotton, and now the front portion, the door portion, will just cover it with the cotton. We'll put little bit Fevicol and then put cotton over it. We'll make sure not a single space is left. Here we'll cover it all. The front, side and every portion. Now it is ready. I have few dried twigs which I have collected from my garden, and I will just paste it randomly on the platform. As it is a thermocol, we'll just push it so that it gets grip, and put some Fevicol so it is just gets stick to the platform. The same will just paste it all. The trees are ready. Now we'll just make our river. I will just cut it little bit for giving it a depth. Here I've cut it little bit. Now what we'll do is just color the river with the blue paint. So let's do it. So here I have painted it with blue color. Now what we'll do is just paste the penguins. First of all, paste the legs, and then we'll just put little bit of gum and then the penguin. Place the penguin. In the same way, we'll place the other penguins. Here it is ready. Here I have pasted cotton on the free spaces for giving it a snowing effect. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do share, like and subscribe our channel.